In the world of high-performance automobiles, few names evoke more awe and excitement than the Shelby Cobra. This legendary car wasn't just a machine. It was a symbol of raw power, innovation, and American muscle. Early days, born from the minds of visionary carmakers Carroll Shelby and A.C. Bristow, the Cobra emerged in the early 1960s. Shelby sought to infuse the nimble AC Ace with American muscle, opting for a powerful Ford V8 engine. Racing legacy. The Cobra quickly proved its mettle on the racetrack, dominating legendary events like Le Mans and securing numerous victories for Shelby American. Renowned drivers like Ken Miles and Dan Gurney pushed the car to its limits, etching the Cobra's name in racing history. Evolution and impact. Throughout its evolution, the Cobra spawned various iterations, each pushing the boundaries of performance. Yet, its essence remained, a potent combination of agility, power, and undeniable style. The Cobra transcended the racetrack, becoming a cultural icon featured in movies, music, and capturing the hearts of car enthusiasts worldwide. Legacy and future. Today, the Shelby Cobra remains a timeless classic, its legacy celebrated in car shows, restoration projects, and the passionate collector community. While rumors whisper of an electric or hybrid future, the Cobra's spirit of innovation and exhilarating performance is sure to endure for generations to come.